everybody? It's Eric again with Homeboy Hot Rods. It's cold outside tonight, so I'm in the house, but I met up with a friend of mine. I want to show you a car, a 69 Camaro that he's had built for over 20 years, and it's been sitting in storage at his house. It has very low miles on it since it was built. I went by his house, I saw the car, I said, hey, we got to do something with this car. I want to introduce you guys to Bobby Stokes' 69 Camaro. It was built by DCP Customs, again, over 20 years ago, so check this thing out.